Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Jojo and thank you so much for being here. So today is a very exciting day. We are headed out to Machakos County to go pick a car. So by we is my cousins and I, and one of them is Omek, so he's carrying his tools because one thing is the car has some funny engine noise, so that is why we are not risking it. So guys, I'll take you along the journey as we go pick it up. But the good thing is it was paid and the release letter was taken to the yard, so at least it is just going, picking it up and then coming back. So hopefully everything goes well and we don't have to stop on the way. So guys, let's head out to Machakos County.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances?
So guys, finally we have arrived. So we are at the garage where the car is. So we're waiting for clearance because the microfinance is supposed to, if I didn't mention this before, the car was being sold through the microfinance. So the microfinance has to now clear with the garage in terms of storage fee, but the release letter had been sent prior to us coming here. So that is what we're waiting for them to sort out that, because now the microfinance is supposed to pay for storage, and then I think that is the only thing that is remaining. So when that has been sorted out, then now we can do a little bit of mechanic work, and we get to leave the yard. So I'll keep you guys updated on everything that is happening. But before that, let me show you how the car looks, the before, just the way it is, and then anything that we are going to be doing, I'll definitely keep you posted.
You like fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? You only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind.
So as you're waiting for the storage fee issue to be sorted out, so what we decided to do is now work on the car, do like basics, ensure there is water, and also check the oil and battery. So we did come with an extra battery that was fully charged, so that at least you can be able to start the car with it. And then after the car has started, now we're going to replace the battery that we've come with and put the one that was in the car. So that is what we are doing.
You like fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately and it's hard
they did check the oil and the oil was very low, so we are going to the petrol station to go get some oil. So we come, put the oil in the car, check if it's okay, if it's leaking down there, and what else are we doing? Yeah, so far that is the only basic thing that we are doing.
You want some love, me like when you feel like calling midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. Oh, in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And
when we were at the petrol station, we saw a cyber that was just adjacent, so printing of the insurance, because definitely you can't drive all the way, even you can't drive without insurance, so you just get like even not comprehensive third party just to move you from where you're going to your destination before you now go and start working on the car. And I know up until this point I have not told you how much this car is worth, but I'll save that for the end of the video, and you guys will not believe how much this car was sold for. We have put the oil, and the mech has checked the oil levels are good, so that is a good thing, and then it's not leaking, because he has also checked underneath and it's not leaking, so that's good. And then the other thing is they've been able to start the car with now the battery that we came with, and they have interchanged the battery and returned the original battery to the car. And yes, we've put water, yes, and and insurance, yes, we've printed insurance, and we've placed it on the windscreen, and I don't think there's anything else. So now we want to have now the tires are low, so we get some pressure and then yeah, head out. But as you heard, the engine was having some funny noise, so that is what the mechanic is going to be checking out on the way. So hopefully there'll be no issues on our way back and we get to Nairobi safely with no incidences. And one thing is, if you're buying a car from the auction, one thing I would insist on, make sure the storage fee is paid by the bank or the financial institution that is selling the car. Do not make a mistake of paying the storage fee, because you find that if you pay, your money might never be refunded, because in most cases what they do is they do have contracts with most of the storage yards or even the garages. So once the release letter has been done, so you just come and you're cleared, and they are left to sort out the storage fee with now the financial institution and the storage yard. But in our instances, they didn't have a working contract with this particular garage, so the storage fee had to be paid before the car was released. But the release letter was done, it was sent in Tuesday this week, so that was good. But now the thing that was remaining is storage fee. And there was a bit of a tussle, because the financial institution, they wanted to pay after 30 working days, of which that is usually the plan for the people that they do have contracts with. But for this particular garage, they don't have like that working relationship, so it had to be sorted out, and that is what has caused a bit of delay. But finally, at least we've been able to sort that one out, and at this point it is around 1 p.m. and we were here by 10, so it took a bit of time, but at least finally that one has been sorted out, and now we can now start heading back, and hopefully we reach Nairobi with no incidences. So guys, I think I'll update you as we are on our way back. In case of anything, I'll let you guys know.
I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling.
So we did a rookie mistake. So the mech, I think he forgot, he switched off the car, and by the time we were leaving, the car could not start. So what we are currently doing is jump starting the car, so now we can head out.
Down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head.
So I've decided to change cam, and I've moved now to the new car, so I want to feel how it is. But from what I was seeing, because we were behind, okay, it's going pretty well. So right now we are at 70 kilometers per hour, and let's see how the journey is. Without fear of contradiction, it is safe to say that we are cruising nicely. So we've reached Syokimau. So far so good, but there's a little bit of issue. So whenever the car goes around 80, it starts vibrating, and the vibration is so intense that you can feel it on your seat. But apart from that, everything else is nice. Everything else is good. At least it's picking up speed. So yeah, so far the trip has been a success.
High, even if the sky is falling down.
So we've changed direction, so now we come to Easy on Mombasa Road to look for some cars that were on auction today. So I'll be showing you the Benz, the black one. Oh my goodness, it's in perfect condition. So it is being auctioned today, so we are coming to check if it's worth considering even to participate in the auction. And then a few more cars here and there that are on sale, so we are coming to look for the condition, because you have to see the condition of the car before you take part in the auction. So guys, I think I'll show you the cars that we were looking for, or the cars that we're interested in, and then you'll get to be the judge.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed, you left fast life.